Uncovering the past, archaeology, anthropology, and oral traditions. How we learn about ancient cultures. What are archaeologists and anthropologists? Archaeologists study past human cultures. Focus on physical remains, like tools, pottery, and buildings. They dig up the evidence. Anthropologists study human culture, society, and language. Broad field that can include past and present cultures. They provide the cultural context for the artifacts found. The clues from artifacts. How do artifacts help us understand ancient people? Artifacts are physical evidence of daily life. They reveal what people ate, how they worked, what their technology was like, and their beliefs. For example, a broken pot can tell us about a culture's artistic style and daily rituals. The power of oral traditions. What are oral traditions and why are they important? Oral traditions are stories, songs, and myths passed down by word of mouth. They are crucial for cultures without written language. They can contain historical information, cultural values, and knowledge about the environment. Example: the Maori people's oral traditions about their migration to New Zealand have been supported by archaeological evidence. How do archaeology and anthropology help us understand the past? They work together to create a full picture of history. Archaeology provides the what, the physical objects. Anthropology provides the why and how, the cultural context and meaning. Combining both gives us a deeper, more accurate understanding of ancient people's lives and beliefs. An infographic or conceptual image showing two arrows, one labeled Archaeology, pointing to artifacts or sites, and another labeled Anthropology, oral traditions, pointing to people or culture, both converging to form a complete understanding of the past. Knowledge of history helps us to know ourselves as human beings. Knowledge of history helps us to know ourselves as human beings.